Running into situations where you lack a complete angle set or need fast, accurate angle changes? This tool solves that. And it works for your lathe too. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm making an angle set inspired by John's workshop. The drawings are available in his video, linked in the description. I sincerely thank him for sharing them. First, I will clean and trim the part's edges to achieve the correct size. Now I will set up the block on the milling machine, zero the DRO, and drill the hole according to the table in the drawings. Here, I'll drill and ream 41 holes using a 3mm reamer. I had two options: finish each hole completely before moving on, or do all my centering, then all my drilling, then all my reaming. I picked the first way. Accuracy was more important than getting it done fast. I will not film the entire drilling process. This is to keep the video concise and engaging. "38, 39, 40, and 41. After drilling all the holes, I will chamfer them. Then, I will determine the required size and cut the material. I cut the excess material with a bandsaw. This material will be used for another purpose. Now, I will locate the center using an edge finder. Next, I will drill 4 holes on each side. These will be for dowel pin storage. Now, I will reduce the thickness to the required size. Some might ask why I didn't do this earlier. I prefer to complete the more complex tasks before the simpler ones. The next step is to chamfer the edges. Oops, I moved y-axis instead of x-axis. Here, I will create two counterbores for the magnets. I'm now using epoxy steel adhesive to bond the magnets. I will remove the excess epoxy using sandpaper. Then I will grind the faces on the surface grinder for precision. This is the final result, and now we'll test its functionality. To cut the 5-degree angle, I will use the center hole on the bottom and the left or right side hole for dowel pin insertion. This is done according to the table in the drawings. The hole's angular position will be progressively increased in 5-degree steps, culminating at 90 degrees, as detailed in the table. To change the angle, reposition the dowel according to the drawings table. Clamping small workpieces often necessitates the use of parallels. To prevent parallel slippage, use an additional dowel pin for secure positioning during clamping. I did a quick check with a digital angle finder, but its accuracy is limited compared to the precision of this tool. You can use this to set angles on all kinds of machines, like how I'm setting the compound angle on my lathe here. Dowel pins align the tool parallel to the compound slide, providing a reference surface for dowel indicator setup. I am looking for a 10 degrees angle. It's pretty clear. Those compound graduations are nowhere near as accurate as we need them to be. I am glad I made this tool to improve my work speed and accuracy. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.